Hello, Bits here. Today I will show you guys our three products which are Cognautic CLI, Cognautic Design and Cog. So the first one is Cognautic CLI. It is a CLI based agentic AI tool which lets you code, brainstorm and plan with AI. You can code with it and build your project with Cognautic CLI. So let me show you guys how it works. First you have to launch your Cognautic CLI and then you guys have to prompt it. Let me prompt it to build a snake game with UI in Python. As you can see, it made the game, and now let me run it in the inbuilt terminal of Cognautic CLI. As you can see, there are some issues, some bugs are there. So let me tell it to fix these issues. As you can see, it is reading the file and it wrote the file again. It fixed the file, and now let me run the game again. As you can see, it is working very nicely. It is working. The game is working. The snake is getting its length, and the fruits are spawning. So it is good and working now. So the next one is Cognautic Design, where you can design with AI with just a text prompt. So here, let me prompt it to build a YouTube clone. I already have a prompt, so just let me paste it. As you can see, the design is here. As you can see, it is working very nicely. The design is good. Actually, when I click on the thumbnails, it actually plays a video from YouTube. Now let me show you guys the third tool of our startup, which is Cog, the VS Code extension. Here you can launch Cognautic CLI easily with using the Cog extension. You guys just have to click on some buttons. You have to open Cog first, then it will check for the installation of Cognautic CLI, and then you can launch it in a split tab using just a button, and you don't even have to open a terminal. So yeah, those were the tools of Cognautic, and see you later.